Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the C.R. Lawrence 30824-628. This is a trip bracket for concealed rod vertical exit devices, an aluminum finish. Let's take a closer look at it and see what it does. And the basic operation of a trip bracket or a strike, whatever it's called, is in a concealed vertical rod exit device application. There's generally a pair of doors and they close, and when they're concealed vertical rods, something needs to tell the top latches, hey, go ahead and relatch this. And they don't just hit a stick and then drag across the rabbet of the frame and then latch up. They remain retract till they're told to project again, and then when the door is basically in the closed position. And that's how they operate, whether it be C.R. Lawrence or other people's devices. Trip brackets are a very common way to have vertical rod exit devices, their top latches secure relatch into the header. Let's take a closer look at this trip bracket. So what's going to happen here is you've got this piece of aluminum. Well, I don't know it's aluminum. It's clearly sprayed. Imagine the base material is aluminum. And into it, you're going to thread this bolt. Let's get that threaded. And what you'll do is you'll just thread that into the housing, and you've got that set screw there, and then you are going to adjust that so that the projection makes those latches exactly move when you want them to move. You'll get a couple of typical 832 common thread screws for securing that to the header. Now there is a description below that says activates bolt release to lock door. The trip will help to assure continued safe operation of Jackson concealed vertical rod exits. Aluminum finish, obviously available in a dark bronze as well. There is a link diagram that's down below, and this is shown in part 13, the trip bracket. The upper latch not very elegantly shown there. Let's see if we can find something better. I've been able to produce an installation set of installation instructions, which by the time you see this will be linked to down below along with the parts list. And the top bracket record when not using a door stop. Yeah, so when you don't have a stop installed on the stop is going to act as the mechanism by which the latch bolt is going to thrust itself up into the header again. And that is detailed in the frame of page 18 of the installation instructions. There is a summary of the parts on page, then it jumps to page 18 that will show you what it's going to look like ultimately in terms of its installation at the header. So very simple and straightforward. Those parts drawings are also further on in the installation instructions as well. Let's take some basic dimensional properties of, and obviously they're showing with that tip to be faced towards the top guide with trip release slide is what that's called. Trip release slide. That is used in, and that's a very common item to sell as well. That item is the top bolt guide assembly, part number 934 or 30-934. I think they've kind of eliminated their dashes and numbers. But this will communicate directly to the face of the slide should you have a cased opening frame, is the bottom line. Overall width of the trip bracket, about 1.25 inches. Overall depth, 1/2 inch. Overall projection, about just heavy on 5/8. Center to center, 2 screw holes in case you're interested. Looks like it's about 7/8 of an inch. Finally, link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the C.R. Lawrence products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the catalog. And this would occur in the architectural hardware catalog. They have so many top-level categories, and out of necessity, they separate those catalogs because they're substantial, catalogs on their own. So they you wouldn't want to see them consolidated. Any questions on the C.R. Lawrence 3824 628 or any other C.R. Lawrence product, please reach out to us. And thank you.